Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. First thing to do is open the download folder and extract the files. And just wait until the files are extracted. Then it will automatically detect the compatibility of the drivers and you will go to the installation view. Check the factory reset box because this is the recommended one. And wait until the installation is finished. When a warning like this appears, don't worry. Just choose Install this driver software anyway. Just wait until the installation process is finished. For the download method, just visit the link above and the description below. When done, click Finish and the PC will restart automatically. Thanks for watching.